Hello, I'm out in the wet woods today. Oh, look at this. Middle of May, raining all day. I'm a poet and I didn't even know it. Well, I'm feeling a bit more chirpy today than I have of late, and I'm rather wet. It's not stopped for much longer than half an hour today, maybe an hour, and it's looking like it's going to come in a bit heavy. I'm about 3 miles from home. I'm going to get absolutely soaked wet through. I'm not too fussed. At my men's group this morning and it absolutely throwing it down, and my first thought was, oh, it's throwing it down, I'm going to get wet. And then my second thought was, how about it's throwing it down and I'm going to get wet. Yeah, wait till it really rains hard and put inappropriate clothing on and go out. And I don't mean like, you know, ladies' clothing or out like that, you know. I mean just an ordinary light jacket, and not worry about getting wet. That's what I mean by inappropriate clothing. It's quite nice being out when it's raining though. You think all the colours seem to be all that much more enhanced. The greens are much greener and the blacks much blacker. Now it looks really nice. I like it when it's sunshine just after rain. That's nice. Anyway, thoughts for the week. I'm going to go slow. Not because I want more money. It's not worked at all. No, I'm going to go slow. After being, I don't know, down and struggling for the couple of weeks that I was, yeah, it's just like, take your foot off. You know, what you're ruminating over, what's troubling you, and you're not going to find that out running around blind. So yeah, trying to be a little bit more kind towards myself and allow myself to take things in a bit more, the pleasurable things, and just take time. All them bluebells. You'll have to forgive me if this video goes all a bit wonky and stuff before long and it loses focus like it nearly did then, or it even switches itself off. Because one thing I have noticed about touchscreen phones, they don't like getting rained on. They tend to do their own thing when they get rained on. I think I'm talking to you lovely people when actually I might even be ringing up my mum. I hope not. Not today. I'm out walking. Leave me alone. But yeah, I'm going on a bit of a go slow. Slow down and just ease up. Be kind to myself and ensuring that I get my... It's a bit like eating greens, isn't it? Stuff like mindful self-compassion and the other stuff that we do to look after ourselves. It's a bit like eating greens and fruit. 5 a day. Not that I ever get 5 a day of my greens and my fruit, which is quite good because I don't get 5 a day of my MSc greens and fruit either. But so long as I'm doing my best and I'm doing what I know, the practices that are helpful, and I'm coming out into nature, and even though it's raining and miserable, I'm still not rushing. I can only get so wet, can't I? I know it feels a bit uncomfortable with all like your trousers stuck to your legs and all the rest of it. It doesn't feel good, but it feel nice to get them all off when I get home and get into the shower. That'd be nice. But once you're wet and everything's stuck to you, it's about as it is then, isn't it? The only way is up from then. I must say I quite like being stood under here. It's not a very big area of woodland, but again it's nice looking at the way the branches of the trees grow and twist outwards. More bluebells. It's covered actually all the way over there. Sweet, really like that. And that's the thing about taking it easy and slowing down, is I notice stuff like that then, and I enjoy it more, and I can savour the colours and the sensations and the smells. And when I'm rushing about, I ain't taking any notice. I'm just out walking for the sake of being out walking. So yeah, it's probably the first time this week that I've actually got out of the house feeling like I want to get out of the house, really, rather than, come on, you need to get out and get some exercise. Get yourself out and make a video. They'll all be thinking you don't want to talk to them anymore. No, that's not the case. So yeah, don't really have much more to say today. I'm just chilling, taking it all in. Still feeling a bit tender at times, but yeah, it's life, innit? I'll run away from that. Can't make it go any quicker. It doesn't happen that way. It will move through on its own accord without any need for me to give it a shove. Yeah, it's starting to get really quite wet now. And the bad thing about that is, it's not really that bad, I guess. No, the thing about it is, oh, there we go, look, it's all going to start going weird now. Too much rain on my screen. The thing about it is that most of my walk home, once I get out of these woods, is in the open. So I think, yeah, by the time I get about half a mile, I'm going to be a bit squelchy. Yeah, well. Right, I'm going to get off. But yeah, thanks for listening, thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed today's little video and that you're all doing your best to take care of yourselves in whatever way is good for you. Bye for now.